Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel today. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made soursop tea. Yes, as simple as it may be, you may not know the importance of soursop, but I bet you at the end of this video you'll be able to understand how much important soursop leaves are. So don't just overlook them. Let's go, guys. And thank you if you are still watching this video till this point. Okay guys, this is soursop tree. We all know soursop leaf, and if you don't know it, this is exactly how the leaf looks like. So I go for the green ones, the tender ones at the tip. Please don't pluck the yellow ones because they lack chlorophyll. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a herbalist, I'm not a medical practitioner rather. I'm just that babe who likes to show you the things I do in my kitchen in order for you to improve in yours too. So I went ahead to pluck some soursop leaves. These soursop leaves, they are kind of pain relief. They regulate blood sugar. They improve our sleep. They support digestive system, and they are the most important thing is it has anti-cancer properties. In the market, the rate at which they sell these soursop leaves, you'll be amazed. You say, is this the ordinary soursop leaf that I see along the road? Yes, it is. And people are beginning to know the importance of this leaf. As such, they are beginning to sell it at a very high cost in Lagos, Nigeria. As you can see, I went ahead to wash my soursop leaves, not forgetting to add my salt. Please always add salt to your leaves, to your vegetables and fruits, because of infections, bacteria, and whatever that may be stuck in the leaf. So I washed 2 to 3 times in order for me to be sure they are properly washed. So after I'd washed them, I did not allow to dry or strain the water. There is no need. I went ahead to put them into my kettle, as you will see in this video. So I went ahead to put them in my kettle. Add very clean drinkable water. Please, clean drinkable water. Don't assume the water will boil. I'm not soliciting for that. Please always use very clean water. So I used very clean water to the level I wanted, according to the level or according to the quantity of leaf I'm using. You can decide to pour more water if you have many people taking the tea. So, and allow the water to boil up to 100 degrees. As you can see, then I went ahead to drink my soursop leaf. I actually did not drink it very hot. I allowed it to cool off for some time before I started drinking it. This soursop tea, the importance are very numerous. I'll leave some of them in the comments in the description box so you can read and understand the importance of this soursop leaf. Both kids and adults can take it, of all ages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah.